My name is Carl Owens. I am the CAD design engineer teacher at Barren County Air Technology Center. Behind me you can see a drawing of a car. Obviously anything that is mass produced, including vehicles, is going to be designed on a computer somewhere. So what my class does is it really focuses on how to draw things on the computer in a virtual environment. Could be in 3D, could be in 2D, could be animation, could be game design. Floor plans for houses are another thing we do. We have a state-of-the-art laboratory. I'm going to kind of walk you around and let you all see each one of the items that we have, or some of the equipment we have. We might not even be able to see everything that we've got. We've got so much stuff in here. This is a lab that we have built that is on the level of any college laboratory you will go into for engineering. So we'll kind of walk around here. We have some VEX carts that we can actually build, robots. You can actually see right here a robot that's in the process of being built. Each year students get together and they build a robot that will do a certain task. Each one of our tables in here has a robotic arm called a DoBot. You can program these robots to laser engrave. They can have grippers, suction cups, various points on there. So robotics is a big thing in manufacturing. This is a good way to get a start with that. We'll walk over here. We have 6 different 3D printers. So we have 2 Dremels, we have 2 fabricators, we have another fabricator we have 7 3D printers. We have another fabricator in my classroom. Over here we have a Stratasys, which is a larger 3D printer. And each one of these does 3D print, but it does something a little bit better or more affordable than the other one. So each one has a different function. Next to our Stratus, we actually have a CNC machine that lets us take material, whether it be wood or metal or plastic, and actually carve a shape that we have designed in 3D. Back here, the big orange box, and we'll walk back there towards that. We actually have a laser engraver that is capable of engraving everything from wood to plastic to metal. So it's not just a hobby laser engraver, it's actually an industrial laser engraver. Right here we have a materials analyzer, so we can actually stress and break materials and actually find their core values and how much material it will hold. We have a VEX Arena, kind of looks like the BattleBots you might see on TV, and that's where those robots, those VEX course stuff come from. That's where we test them. So we actually have VEX right here. Back in the corner, right here, this yellow arm, that is a FANUC. That is just a larger version of the DoBot and is actually what industry uses. They actually use FANUC products. So we have one of their robots that it's the same equipment, same dialogue that you would see in industry. It's here in our classroom. We have a drone. We have a carbon fiber printing 3D printer, Markforged 3D printer. That's a high-end item. Some of our DoBots have conveyor belts, and yes, I know we're kind of all over the place. That's kind of the state of where we're at in this classroom. We have so much stuff. It just another thing pops out that you can see. But we have conveyor belts for our DoBots. We have a linear slide rail for our DoBot. So we have all kinds of accessories. We have all kinds of really cool toys. And yeah, so we would love for you, if you're interested in art, if you're interested in design, or 3D modeling and animation, game design. There is a little bit of math, so you don't want to necessarily just think it's an easy course. It's college level math, so you're going to have to work in this class. But if this is something that interests you, I hope that you talk to your counselors about coming down and taking a class with us. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.